Hello everypony, it's Cleo here, and today I have another crazy challenge video. First of all, this year you saw me freeze a pony in water, then you saw me put a pony in a jelly, then you saw me put a pony in chocolate. But you know what you haven't seen yet? You haven't seen a parachuting pony. As everyone seems to love these kind of crazy videos, and it's been a little while since I made my last one, I thought I'd give that crazy idea a go. And this is actually the best stupid idea I've had so far. Now obviously for the job of parachuting I'm going to need a pony candidate, and since I'm not crazy enough to actually use my pony OC for that, she's much too valuable to me for that, I'm going to use a bait pony you've seen before. It's none other than the Fluttershy from the freezing a pony video. Here she is. She's in pretty good condition really, she's got kind of a fuzzy tail, and I did break off some hairs when she froze. But I already have a much better Fluttershy, so this one is really just a bait, and we can do whatever the heck we want with her. Lockie's probably going to customise her in the future. So first things first, I'm going to need to make a pony parachute, and you know what I'm going to do for that? I'm going to check out good old WikiHow. Okay, here is the WikiHow article, How to Make a Toy Parachute. Let's skip to the more advanced one. There are 3 different ways in this tutorial, and I'm going to try the more advanced one at the bottom. Method 3 of 3, making a large parachute. Here's a video of a guy cutting out a bin liner. Cut a 24-inch square out of cheap plastic tablecloth, or although it's like I say, it looks like he's using a bin liner, and I think that's what I'll use. Make sure it's the thin kind. The kind that have the felt coating on the back will be too thick for this project. If you can't find any cheap plastic tablecloths, use a large trash bag instead. That's what we're going to do. In England we call them bin liners. This parachute will work on action figures that are 3 to 4 inches tall. And that's pretty much a pony, so that'll do. I guess it doesn't have to be exact. It's about 23, but I think that'll do. Cut a 5-inch square out of each corner. 5-inch fold per square and a half. I don't get it. Okay, the instructions don't make any sense at all. We've worked out what we have to do is cut out the squares at each corner here to make it into kind of a square-shaped parachute. I feel quite certain this is a terrible job and it's probably not going to work very well, but I think it's big enough that we might be able to get some kind of float anyway. Okay, at this point, I don't think I need the instructions anymore, not only because they're extremely unclear, but also because I pretty much get the idea of what we're doing now. Okay, because it's tutorials for an action figure and not specifically a pony toy, I'm going to kind of make it up as I go along from here. We're going to take a bit of string in each corner, and then we're going to kind of randomly tie it to the pony however it works to get the centre of gravity. Okay, so here we have the strings on the parachute. I really get the feeling this is not going to work very well. I'm going to try and tie it to the pony anyway. I'll try and get it even. I just feel like we could do this better than that.
We can alter it on the fly.
Yeah. Okay, here is the parachute all finished up. Unfortunately, things didn't work out. It kind of came unstuck, but Lockie here came to the rescue and fixed it for me. As you can see, it's tied around her middle, which looks a lot better than the way I thought to do it. I think this one is going to work. Okay, so now we're going to be taking it down to throw it off a bridge. It's going to be falling off a real-life outdoor bridge. Yes, I'm going to be filming on location. Here we go. Okay, we are on the way to the bridge now. Lockie and Forbes are both here to help me. So we're going to be Lockie's going to drop it from the bridge, and Forbes is going to help me out when it falls. We don't really know what's going to happen, so we just have to wait and see. When it falls down there, I hope I don't lose the pony. Unfortunately, the wind is really powerful today, so it's probably going to make it a little harder. We're going to keep on. Carry on according to plan. Don't you just love how supportive my brothers are of this weird hobby? Tell everybody I'm on my way. And I'm loving every step I take. The sun's beating down, yes, I'm on my way. Here is the bridge. Look how high up that is. Oh my goodness. Forbes, can you get in the shot there so we can see how huge it is?
Yeah.
Look, it's massive. Lockie's gonna drop it. And then we're gonna see what it looks like. I can see him up there. I can see him. Okay, hang on. There's Lockie. I can see him. Go!
Yeah,
It worked! It worked! I feel like we need to do that again.
Yeah. I'll go bring out the Lockie.
Let's just see what it looks like. What happened to it? She's all tangled up. Poor girl. But you know, she's no worse for wear. She's probably just got a bit of dirt on her.
No, not too bad.
It actually worked!
I have no idea how well that worked.
It worked!
Really?
Yeah, it did. I want to do it again. Are you dropping it, Forbesy? Are you dropping it?
Oh, cool.
There he goes. I'm gonna go again. This is the best video ever. Okay, we're waiting for Forbesy to turn up on the bridge. I see him, he's there. Wait. Oh my god. Ah! It works. There she is. It works. I can't believe it. We have a parachuting pony. We're going to give it another go. I'm going to try and get a more zoomed out shot this time. There's Lockie off to the top of the bridge. I have no idea what kind of weirdos people think we are. Who knows what people think we're doing? You've seen it at the top of the bridge, so we're going to try and watch it falling from a distance this time. Okay, I see him. I can see it, and you probably can't see it on camera, but he's going to drop it. You'll see it down the middle. Just skirting along the ground, we can't lose him. There we go. The wind is really picking it up. Echo! Okay, poor Fluttershy is full of mess now, I'd say. I'd just call it general mess. I'm not quite sure what it is. Naturey stuff. Okay, so this time we're going to be looking up at it. And up to the sky, where it's going to fall down like this. We're waiting on Lockie to drop it. God knows what people think we're doing. I've come across about 5 different people today, and it's kind of weird, you know.
No one's asked any questions.
No one's asked any questions yet, so we good. There's Lockie. Okay. Wait! It's not focusing! I said not to do it! What? I said don't! No! My arms are getting so tired from holding the camera up, but I'm determined to get a good close-up shot. Even if it kills me. It might very well kill me. Okay, there it is. Wait! Wait for it. Go!
Ow! Oh, pretty clean run.
There. I think it's okay. Hooray! I should have got Rainbow Dash to do this. Poor Fluttershy. Look at her. She's covered in mess. And it's a good thing Rarity's not doing this. She would probably have a heart attack. Look at all this mud. I'm walking up a steep part of the tunnel. I know I am. Okay, we're trying a side angle. Oh, that worked! Maybe she's had her last jump. I don't think her poor heart can take anymore. Look at all the dirt and the graffiti. Poor Fluttershy's had the worst day ever. Without them, thank you so much. This is Forbes.
It was fun.
This is Lockie. We had a lot of fun today. It's been a sunny day, dropping a pony off a bridge. Weirdest day ever.
No one asked any questions, though.
No one asked any questions.
Nobody asked
All the
any questions.
5, 6 maybe people we saw.
I think it was 6.
This has been a great day out. Thank you, gentlemen.
Great.
Big shout out, guys. If you want your comment to get a heart, just put hashtag Forbes and Lockie.
You're plug your channel as well.
Oh yeah, subscribe to Nerdy Nom Nom.
This is Nerdy Nom Nom. Forbesy doesn't have a channel, but he's a good bro, so he's doing it anyway. So that's it. that's what you can do to make a pony parachute. I wouldn't recommend following the WikiHow instructions too strictly because we just kind of made it up as we went along and just followed the general idea. But it worked! Fluttershy fell, and you could see that it fell quite slowly. And you know, before with the challenges I couldn't recommend them. This time I do fully recommend it. It's a lot of fun and it's not dangerous at all. Just make sure you don't use a valuable pony. Use a bait one, because then if it gets dirty or damaged you won't regret it. And here is Fluttershy back in the studio, my bedroom. She is completely undamaged. There is just a little bit of dirt on her hooves and a little bit of grass in her hair, but the rest of her is just fine. Of course you can just clean mud off, so she is fine. So that's it. This video proves ponies can parachute. If you enjoyed this crazy video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for lots of fun new videos every week. Thanks for watching.